urgent weather message. The National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Erie County, northern Lorain County, until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:21 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over western Vermilion, or over Vermilion, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Lorain, Elyria, Western Vermilion, North Ridgeville, Avon Lake, Amherst, Avon, Sheffield Lake, Sheffield, and South Amherst. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: